Hello, hello, hello. This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, and in this episode, I want to share with you an opportunity for you to be able to get some free leads and some premium leads. If you want to build your business, your opportunity, and make more money, then this is the episode for you. But first, our intro. You ready? Let's go. This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. If you're looking to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned.
Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level.
All right. I am on a website called Team Build Club. I have done an overview on this before, and that video will be linked at the end of this video, and I will also put it in the description. So, Team Build Club is a opportunity where you can earn by bringing people in, and you also can get free leads. Okay, you can come in as a free member and get 200 leads to contact. All right, if you come in as a paid member, you will get paid members. All right, so 1,700 people have joined since I have joined. So as a free member, the cutoff is at 200. As a basic member, um, as people are coming in after you, people will fall into your downlines. So um, each of these packages are different prices. So the basic is 25, the silver is 50, the gold is 100, the platinum is I think 250, and the diamond is 500. Now, um, you earn. I did the overview of this, so this video is not about the overview. It is about showing you what leads I have received since I joined this. Okay, and it's been about a week, less than a week actually. So, um, I came in and I got in the basic member because I want to receive paid um, leads. All right, people that don't mind paying for a system, paying to be in a program. Um, although free members, sometimes end up paying for opportunities, but a lot of free members, they may start off, wanting to start free to check it out, and so you might luck up and get some of those people to sign up for your opportunity once you make contact with them, and you definitely want to do that. All right, now, and they respond because I got response from people. All right, now, um, the other thing that's really good about this, if you come in at the gold, which I have not upgraded to yet, you get to be a part of a monthly pool where you earn money whether you bring people in or not. All right. So let's get into showing you my leads. Okay. So I'm going to blur it out because um, when I do go here, it's gonna be blurred out because I don't want you to see the contact information of all of the leads. So so give me a minute. I'm going to switch over to that right now. I am at my free downlines details, and this is where you'll find all your leads from free members. As I stated, you're going to get 200 when you're a free member, so you can sign up and not pay a dime and get access to these leads. You can refer other people as a free member and get commissions as well. Okay, now if you upgrade to be one of the other packages and become a paid member, the cheapest one is $25, just a one-time cost of $25. And when you do that, you're going to start getting leads from people that are paid members. All right, they're paid. Now you will receive just the basic people, and then once you upgrade to the other levels, which you can do, you will earn, you'll get leads of those people in those categories. And those different leads are packages. The next one is $50. That's the silver, and then the next one is gold. Gold is $100. Once you go into the gold is when you can be a part of a pool, which I am going to go into next. So let me show you that now. Okay, so now I'm at basic. All right. The majority of people that have come in are, of course, free people, and then there's the basic. But as you see here, there is more people in the gold than the silver. Okay, you know why? Because it doesn't make sense to go to silver, because in the gold you is the when you can be eligible to receive the monthly pool. So you get it if you are gold, platinum, or diamond. So that's why you see majority of the people in gold, okay, because that's cheapest. Platinum, I think, is $250, and then diamond is $500. Now, I want to show you how the pool works. They gave us this spreadsheet. This was the pool for September. All right. Now, this spreadsheet calculates everything for you. At the end of the month, you're going to calculate all the numbers, and you're going to get the numbers from here. Now, the numbers, they pull them from here at the end of the month. Okay. Put them in this spreadsheet. And then it tells you how much you're earning from this pool. So if you're a gold person, you're going to get, you would have gotten $15.87 based on the numbers. All right. If you're a platinum member, you would get this. And if you're a diamond member, you would get this a month. So if you want an extra $122 a month, now this is not every month, because it goes by how many people join, all right, these different categories. But this month people earned $15, an extra $15 a month, just for you doing nothing. You didn't have to bring in anybody at all right, to get that $15. Now, if you bring in people, then you get the $15 on top of that. Now, this is only for 12 months, okay? Because they want to make room for new people coming in, and just, for the pot to be able to be enough for, spread out pretty good, okay? You don't want it to become less and less of this being available, all right? So this is a 12-month deal. Now, that is how the pool works, all right? So I plan to upgrade to the gold so that I can be, make that extra amount. I know, not sure when that'll be, if it's going to be this month or next month. I don't know, because I have some things going on that I need to prepare for, and I want to, make sure I manage my money properly, because in case I need those funds. So, but when you come in here, they have all this stuff here. You can get scripts and emails, scripts, or for the people that you do get to email, you can utilize these tools. You can get free crypto education, learn about crypto and things of that sort. If you want to be a paid member, just pay $25. You can get some trainings. You get even more: email marketing training, video marketing, graphic design, crypto education, entrepreneurship. You get this for $25. Okay. Again, um, you can start for free, check everything out, make connections with some people, see what kind of responses you get. Now, also you get as a paid member is advertising credits. I got 2,500, and out of those, I placed an ad, some text ads in here, and 1,000 impressions didn't get me any clicks, which that I am not too cool about. On why there were no clicks out of 1,000 impressions. So I'll run another ad, maybe for something else, and see what happens with that. But the emails, I've emailed people and gotten responses back from those people. Okay, so that is it, guys. On Team Build Club, my link is in my Linktree. The overview that I did. Oh, let me just tell you. You come in here, you want to watch how it works, you want to watch the slideshow, you want to take part in the Zoom meetings where the owner is there. This is him. And you can start with you don't have to start with crypto. You can start with your debit card, credit card, your bank account. I think there's additional fees if you do pay for it with your card or your bank account. I don't know exactly how much that is, but I did it with crypto. And yeah, but that option is available to you for those of you that are not crypto people and you want to get some leads. So the live Zoom meeting I took part in one and it was great. And they go over everything. And they have where some people are able to ask questions at the end as well. So with the owner itself. Okay. So that is it. That is all. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this content, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. And until next time, I see you on the next level. Will you be there? I hope so. Bye-bye.
Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer. Welcome to the